Hello students, welcome in English class. Myself Karamjit Kaur, your English teacher. Today we will start with notice writing. All of you know how to write a notice. So today we will learn how to write a notice. Firstly, I want to tell you something about notice. That what is notice? A notice is a written or printed news announcement or information. A notice can be in the form of formal announcement of public importance. Notices are given generally in newspaper or magazines. Educational notices are displayed on notice board in school and colleges. A notice can also find a place in the column of a newspaper as an advertisement. Notices are effective means of communication in the modern age. They are one of the effective ways to reach a large number of persons in a short time. As such, we must be clear and brief in writing notices. Notices are like circulars. The only difference is that a circular reaches us through a messenger while we read a notice on the notice board or in a newspaper column. Now, we will see the layout of a notice, that how to write a notice. So look here, all of you. Firstly, we will write down the name of the organization, institution or office. But remember one thing, that we will write down the name of the organization in capital letters. Then we will write down the word notice. After that, we will write down date of issuing the notice. Then we will give it a suitable description or heading according to our notice, according to the subject of our notice. Then we will write down its content. In content, we will mention details of schedule like date, time, venue, program, duration, everything. About the case, the notice is about an event. Then after that, we will do the signature, then name but in block letter, then designation of the person who is issuing the notice. We can say that style and tune of the language should be formal, semi-formal or informal. One important thing, draw the box. It's the compulsion here that you have to draw a box whenever you are writing a notice. Any doubt, students? Okay, we will do just one thing, that now we will look at one example, so that if there is any doubt in your mind, it will be clear. Okay, here is an example of a notice. Now look at this. We will start. As the Secretary of History Society of DAV School Dehradun, write a notice for the board inviting names for a trip to Rajasthan. Wow, it means just we have to write a notice for a trip to Rajasthan as a Secretary of History Society of DAV School. So firstly, I tell you that we will write down the name of the institution but in capital letters. So here we have write down DAV School Dehradun but in capital letters. Then we write down the word notice. After that, we mention the date on the left side. Then we give a suitable title or heading to it. What should be its title or heading? Yeah, trip to Rajasthan. Then we will write down its content. Here it is like that. This is to inform you all that the History Society of our school is organizing a week-long tour to Rajasthan in the last week of this month. Bus fare, boarding and lodging will cost rupees 5,000 per head. Interested student should contact the undersigned with charges latest by 24th April. Here we write down the content, and after that we signed as Deepak Kumar. Then we write down the name of the person in capital letters. Then we write down his designation. So these are the very easy steps that how to write a notice. I hope all of you clear. Thanks and have a nice day.